So in the early phases at the moment, people are getting themselves organised for learning, making sure that all of their technology works, that they've connected with their teacher to know what the work is that they need to do. For families at home where students are learning from home, some of you will have paper-based materials that we've already arranged with you to send home. So at the moment, while everybody wants to be perfect on day one, we understand that that's not always the case, and that may mean that we have to solve some problems together to be able to get you up and running, ready for your learning. So the key pieces of information I want you to be aware of there is that there is a range of people who can help you, and sometimes if you can go directly to that person that you need their help from, it's better than going through the wrong way. So if you have an IT related issue, we've set up an email address called ithelpdesk@laidley.shs.eq.edu.au. So you can write directly to that email address, and Alan and Cameron will be able to help you with lots of your technology queries and inquiries from home. Where we see patterns of issues that are going on across different students, we'll send information out through newsletters and emails so that everybody can solve those problems easily. In your learning, in your continuity of learning plan that was sent home, there are lots of tips and guides in there that can help you out. So sometimes just reading the material that we've already provided you will give you the best way to be able to solve that issue. So we're seeing lots of my password doesn't work and my computer won't let me do this and won't let me do that. So get in touch with our IT help desk and they'll be able to help you. Lots of other problems that you've got are actually teacher problems. So they're an issue in your subject with your class where you need to find out more about what you need to do. So the best advice there is send your email to your class teacher, and if they're not able to help you with your problem, then they will forward you on to somebody else in the school who can. Of course, you can ring the office too, and the ladies in the office have been doing a wonderful job so far, helping people to connect to the right people to get the help that you need. So sometimes this is an emotional time for people, and we've also set up a support services at... There's our bell. It's time for our 50 students to go out to lunch right now. We've set up a support services at laidleystatehighschool.eq.edu.au where people, if you're having problems at all, you need emotional support and guidance and help, that you're able to email to our support services team who can assist you with that. So your school timetable is a really good guide for you as you're working through your school day. It's there to help teachers particularly to know how they're going to support students at different times of the day, but it's not something that every student in period 1 must log on at exactly 9:05 and be there for the entire time. We're aware that some students are sharing computers at home, and we know that some students don't have any internet at all. But if you can stick to those times, then that's really helpful. Teachers, in some cases, will be using video conferencing technologies. In other cases, they will be sitting there online on online chats, engaging with their class in a group activity. So wherever possible, work from your timetable. If you are not able to do that, then you are able to complete your work at other times of the day that work well for you. So guys, key message, if you have a problem, reach out for help. What I know is that this process will test the resilience of our students and also many of our parents and family members at home. If you are working on something and you're stuck, send your teacher an email and then move on to the next piece of work that you can do. That might be in your existing subject that you're currently working on at the moment, or maybe you need to stop working on that subject while you wait for your teacher to get back to you and maybe go and move on to another subject or another topic, so that you're not sitting there feeling frustrated and getting bogged down in that problem that you have. But wherever you need help, reach out for help and we'll do the best we can to help you.